Okay, November 809, additional traffic 11 o'clock in a mile and a half northbound, 1,800 indicated, not on frequency.
809 has traffic inside.
Thank you. November 818, frequency change approved.
818.
7012 Fox, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option to the 712 Foxtrot.
Delta 000, continue down the runway past Kilo for traffic landing behind it.
Continue down the runway past Kilo for traffic behind us, 070.
November 80 Mike, the spacing is good. All you need is 3,000.
What's that for 80 Mike?
Affirmative, spacing is good.
Spacing is good, 80 Mike.
November 809, verify you do have the traffic 11 o'clock in a mile, 1,900 inside.
We have the traffic inside 809er.
Amazing. If you want to turn left, you pass behind them, that's approved, and runway 26 right, clear to land.
26, we'll turn left, 26 right, clear to land 809, thank you.
Thank you. Cessna 070, thank you, contact ground point 6.
070 over to ground point 6.
Air Coupe 809er, wind calm, correction, wind 2905, Chino altimeter 3006.
Cessna 52070 off runway 26 right at hotel, taxi to AIA.
Cessna 52070, Chino ground, taxi via Alpha Juliet.
Via Alpha Juliet to AIA for Cessna 070.
Chino ground, Cessna taxi, Kilo Mike, clear off runway 26 right at Delta, taxi to Depot.
Cessna 7380 Mike, Chino ground, taxi via Delta Mike.
Taxi via Delta Mike, 80 Mike.
And Chino Grand, Cessna 070 with a question.
So 070, go ahead with the question.
070, I noticed tower had us roll out down to hotel for traffic landing behind on the runway at the same time. And that, I'm just kind of question with that, didn't think you could do that.
070, we just need 3,000 feet of spacing for FAA separation requirements between single engine aircraft. So the windsock is actually at 3,000 feet. So instead of having you slow down to exit at one of the taxiways, he just wanted you to keep it on the roll past the separation that we needed, and we can have 2 aircraft on the runway.
070, understood, thanks.